New toy.
Oh, there's 3.
New toy. Hey, Queenie.
They look like a box of assorted chocolates.
What sort of cat? What sort of cat?
There's any What do you think, Nico? Oh, go see what's going on.
My cats.
Oh, that's a really cute family photo.
Family portrait. Family video.
Oh, he doesn't
he's
care.
gonna sniff
Not
it.
into it.
He's not a playful one.
Not
It's
into it.
okay. Nina got to have it all to herself for a while.
And the boys come out and ruin everything. Boys, cats, I wish they could back and forth.
'Cause that's how cats' voices are in their heads.
Gosh, that's exactly how cats sound.
They like it.
They sound like Alex. A
Yes,
little bit.
Oh, that's cute. Oh, Nina.
She's so like, wait, how come I never get to play when those guys are around?
She was having a lot of fun with it.
She
upstairs.
loves it.
Well, she can join in. There's room
She
for her
always-
on either side.
She always backs off whenever another one's playing, like every time.
Aw.
I know. Like,
She's-
assert yourself, honey.
She will not assert. Oh, she's hiding behind the pillow now. She's upset. Oh no, she's back. Oh, Serena
I
girl.
want our
You're
cats
so sweet.
all happy.
Well, it's not like they don't have enough other toys.
This is
I'm
true.
just saying. Although
Yeah, there's no truth.